Alright, ready?
Wait.
2, 3, 4. Jesus, break the coffin. We break it. Jesus, break the coffin. When I was sick, I was suffering. The coffin was in. Every time I look, I saw I was buried. Jesus coming. Listen. Coffin was back. Jesus. Hallelujah, Jesus. Jesus, break the coffin. Jesus, break the coffin. When I was sick, I was soft when the coffin was here.
This bitch ass nigga's in the camera.
Yo, Olivier say me. It's up to him.
I wonder I just scared the camera. Is he too damn ugly?
Hey,